All right, we're making a fried chicken sandwich. So, mini ciabatta bread. Sandwiches are pretty much 90% of the food that I eat because they're quick, they're easy, and they're ergonomic. So those are chicken breasts that are sitting in buttermilk for at least a day. And that dredge, that flour mix is smoked paprika, garlic, onion, and salt and pepper. This sandwich comes from my mind. The chicken dredge is very classic. And then the ingredients that I put on it are a little different than you'll find in a normal chicken sandwich. Some fresh kale, roasted tomatoes, aioli, and a little bit of pecorino cheese. Almost like an Italian style fried chicken sandwich. My favorite sandwich would probably be just a simple grilled cheese. Yeah, with American cheese. Favorite sandwich. I eat one for breakfast. Or sometimes I'll do it out of a bagel, an everything bagel, and a grilled cheese out of an everything bagel is a pretty amazing thing as well.
Good. Be honest.
Yo, thanks for watching. It's Robbie the Sandwich Serini. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We got a new video each week. If you got a place we should check out, then let me know down in the comments. We love you and see you next time.
Oh, that's good.
Sandwich Defender.